Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Heroku, full guide step by step clearly. Visit the Heroku website at heroku.com. Click on the sign up button in the upper right corner of the homepage. Fill out the registration form with your name, email address, and password. Review and accept the terms of service and privacy policy. Click on the Create Free Account button to proceed. Check your email inbox for a verification email from Heroku. Open the email and click on the verification link provided. Return to the Heroku website after verifying your email. Complete the additional information form, including your company name and usage purpose. Select your region from the drop-down menu. Click on the Next button to continue. You may be prompted to choose a payment plan. Select the free plan to start without any charges. Once you've chosen your plan, click on the Submit button. Now, your Heroku account is officially set up. You can log into your Heroku dashboard using your registered email and password. Explore the dashboard to familiarize yourself with its features. This completes the registration process for Heroku. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.